Hello everyone. Sorry for the dark face. I happen to be sitting in a tree line. So I'm going to talk a little bit about estate planning. I just recorded a Larry Parman in the Raw video, so I'm a little bit worked up, but I'm going to calm down enough to talk about estate planning. So I have my, it's kind of an insecure place here. A lot of funky activity going on, so I wanted to be sure I'd got the proper guard dog. This would be Noodles. Noodles, the guard dog, is the pet of our daughter.
Grand dog.
This is our grand dog. This is our grand dog. And she is the favorite pet of our daughter Allie, husband Mike, two grandsons Des and Sage. So in any event, she's protecting me here while we talk about estate planning. I want to talk a little bit about why people might want to consider using a trust. That's beyond the typical things we hear. So for example, we know that properly created, properly funded, meaning that assets are property titled in the name of the trust, that those assets will avoid probate upon a death. We know that a trust will offer some additional protections in the event you become incapacitated. We know that a trust can also offer the maximum degree of estate tax protection that you can receive. We also know that trusts can be structured so that if you have children that either have special needs, or you're concerned about the status of their marriage, or you're concerned about their ability to manage money, that clauses can be put in the trust to assure the protections that you want. Same goes for remarriage. In the event one spouse dies, how do you want things handled? So there are all kinds of advantages, but let me offer one that people don't talk about very often. Sometimes people will say, well, gosh, I don't have enough money to create a trust. Well, here's my feeling. What you have is much less important than what you want to achieve with your plan. So some of the most complicated plans that I've ever created are from people with what you might consider to be a very modest estate. Some would say even a small estate. Some of the simplest plans we've created are for high net worth individuals. So you never really know. The question is, what do you want to happen if certain things occur to you or a loved one during your life or thereafter? So you can think of this. A trust is a contract, and you can draft that contract any way you want to include all kinds of interesting provisions to provide the protections you want. And believe me, it doesn't matter how much you have, again, within reason, because there are some people that frankly don't need a trust. But after a conversation, if it's determined that a trust is required, it matters most about what you want to have happen at certain times in your life, as opposed to how much money you have. So think about that as you go through the estate planning process. I wanted to share that thought with you, and I had the approval of my guard dog here. So anyway, Noodles, say goodbye. We're going to sign off. I'll give you a quick glimpse of the lake. Say hi to Miss Darlene. So our kids are currently out there on the lake. We were out there for 3 or 4 hours and we came back in. They went back out to fish and enjoy the scenery some more. Anyway, hope you guys have a great evening. Today we talked about an unusual reason, one that people don't think about in terms of reasons why you should create a trust or utilize a trust as the foundation of your estate plan. Hope you're having a great day. Larry Parman signing off. We're going to talk again soon. Take care.
If you would like to learn more about creating an estate plan for your family, protecting your assets if you have to go into a nursing home, or transitioning your business, call 405-843-6100 or send an email to info@parmalon.com. That's 405-843-6100 and info@parmalon.com. Thank you.